with me as I'm still redesigning my kitchen. This time we're doing the top of the fridge. So this is what it used to look like. We had this ugly brown for 4 years. Went to Home Depot, went to the scrap area where they normally give boards almost free. This is 70% off, paid $4.28 for it. Took it home, started prepping my area so I can paint the back of this fridge. I'm only painting halfway down, not painting all the way to the floor. You'll see at the end of this video as to why I do that. So I got my board, I took it outside, I started to prep it, cut it to size, sand it to size. I'm only gonna paint this to white. I'm not gonna add any additional color to it because it's just gonna flow with the back color of the wall as is, which is only plain white, no special color, because it's going with the top part of the cabinets we've already done in the entire kitchen so far. So, sand it, prepped it, ready to go. Paint it all white. Keep it moving. So from here, I'm just going to measure my baseboards that the long board is going to sit on. Right now, they're just standard wood. I'm going to paint a white to match the color of the entire top of the refrigerator. So, did that. Added my board, squeezed that bad boy in there, painted all the sides because some areas did get scraped up as I tried to push this board in. It dried. I gave it about 6-7 hours to dry. Done. So found these lights on Amazon. They are motion lights that I wanted to go at the top of the cabinet because I didn't plan to use this as storage anymore. Now I wanted to turn into a decorative area. So found these on Amazon. I'll put the link below in the description. So added those, they just sit up there with a metal strip, super easy. Added the metal strip, tapped them things up there, done. Anymore. We got them in our hallway, we have them under our cabinets in our kitchen, and now we have them above our fridge. Yeah. So I'm just gonna update my old lantern. Had this lantern forever. Nothing special about it. Something I found at Ross many moons ago, and I'm just gonna paint it and upgrade it to add it as an accent piece to the top of the fridge. That's it. Nothing special about it. Just change something from white to black. And this is what it looks like, all dried, just ready to be placed in its new home above the fridge. Yeah. This project only took me about a week. Oh, the ugly brown out of here. The new. I love it. Keep following all my work as we redoing our kitchen. Peace.